Hi, Bruno from Bella Vista here. Today we'll be taking a walk through on a 2010 pre-loved Mirada 29DS. This Mirada has been equipped with many options so that it is fully loaded. From the exterior we can see that it has the partial paint, nice large awning, and it's also been upgraded with the Lux 4000 fiberglass, which is a gel-coated fiberglass. In the Mirada family, this is actually a 4th level upgrade for fiberglass itself. We'll note here the nice large storage compartments. This Mirada is built on a 20,500 pound Ford chassis with the Ford V10 Triton engine. Let's take a little closer look. We'll also notice that the storage is a pass-through storage itself. Let's take a walk inside. This unit has been built to CSA spec for the Ontario market. And when we walk in, the 29DS is actually a 32-foot coach overall with 2 slides. We have a nice large booth which converts for sleeping, an oversized sofa which also converts for sleeping, a nice large galley with extra deep cabinets, recessed sink, range oven and microwave with lots of overhead cabinets. The unit has been equipped with a flat screen LCD TV and DVD player. Thermal pane windows have been optioned in, and night shades. This is a beautiful driving coach at a very reasonable price. We have a nice large fridge and pantry, and what's unique about this floor plan is we have a separate washroom but with the sink outside. As you'll notice, lots of cabinet space, large mirrors, which gives you the ability to use this coach if someone happens to be in taking a shower. We have a nice large rectangular shower with glass doors and skylight. Also lots of storage inside the bathroom for linens. Let's take a walk back to the master bedroom here. First item of note is a bedroom slide with a queen size bed, overhead cabinets, and windows on each side of the slide for cross ventilation. Coachman also placed a window at the rear, so if you happen to be backed into a spot overlooking a lake or a river, really gives you a picturesque sight, as we can see here as we overlook our customer waiting area. Also really great about this design, you'll notice the 4 large drawers for storage and lots of wardrobe space in this unit. We've also included the rear LCD TV. The unit is a 50 amp coach, has been upgraded to a 5.5 kilowatt Awning generator, and we have dual air conditioners on board to keep you cool even in the warmest of climates. Automatic leveling jacks are on the unit, as well as backup and side view cameras. Approximately a little over 10,000 kilometers on this unit, which just makes it barely broken in. So if you're looking for a coach that offers a lot of value, a lot of quality, without having to give up the options that will make the RV lifestyle truly pleasurable, please take a look at our 2010 Mirada 29DS. More information and photos can be seen at www.bellavistarv.com. Thank you for viewing our video, and please check back for additional pre-loved units, both on our YouTube site as well as www.bellavistarv.com. Take care.